Santa baby that goes in the Santa sleigh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Scared of it.
I'm scared of it.
I keep trying to throw it out.
It was in my room growing up and it scared the heck out of me.
She won't let me throw it
Not
out.
that one.
The Santa baby?
Yay, Lily!
Santa baby was in
In
my
the
room.
sleigh, not in the
No,
sleigh.
that was in your room.
The Santa baby wasn't in the. Who was in the sleigh?
There was someone else in the sleigh.
Who had the pink one?
I
Yeah,
had
pink
the pink
one.
one. She made me take
Let me
it.
pass it.
But,
Oh,
well,
you
it
pass
also
it. See, like this, Libby. Don't spit.
But I had that sleigh and it
Catch
had
it.
I thought it had a Santa baby in it.
I don't think so. I think the Santa baby's too big for it.
I got it.
It has
It
somebody
was
else in
something
it.
else.
Where's
It has
the-
somebody else in it.
And then when I stole it from you, I put Santa baby in it.
The Santa that fell on your head.
Yeah, where's the rock hard plastic Santa that Elizabeth,
We have it.
Elizabeth
Let me
threw at
pass
me in
it.
the middle of the night?
Wait,
I still have a
shoot
dent
it
in my
like this.
forehead.
The pink one?
It's downstairs in the basement.
I'm gonna. Oh, you missed that. Throw that thing out.
Oh, I don't think you can shoot it.